Hi guys, Tony Lockhart here, and I'm glazing on a rainy day in Southern California. In this part of the clip, I'm scraping off some of the excess glaze that I poured the day before. When doing this type of work, I like to pour the interior part of the vessel, and then I let it have some time to dry. Since I'm working on these tiny little mugs or cups without handles, it's really hard to get a grip on them. So instead I'm using a shop vac to hold on tightly. After mixing the glaze, I can carefully dip the cup inside while the shop vac is on. And after a couple seconds, what I can do is just remove the cup from the glaze, let it drip down just a bit. It seems like it takes about 15 seconds for the glaze to dry enough for me to handle it. However, there's still a lot of moisture inside. So these guys will sit for another day before it's time to go back and do the final cleanup and scraping. Here's a new clip so you can see what's happening from just above the container of glaze. The reflection that you see will eventually go away and it will start to have a matte appearance. It takes a good, like I said, 10 to 15 seconds to dry off. You can very carefully just touch the outside to make sure that it's safe to pick up and remove. Now it's actually okay. You can spend some time altering the feel and the shape of the glaze on the exterior of your cup if you want to. But for this application and for what I'm trying to do, the customer that I'm selling these to wants a really smooth exterior. There's a little bit of excess glaze over there, so that's exactly the type of thing that I'm going to slightly scrape away on the following day. If there's too much on the exterior, there's a possibility that the glaze will drip, so you have to be careful. Okay, so here's the final one that I'm going to do. I find that when I spend a lot of time practicing and I make multiples, I improve the quality of my craft. It's a lot easier to be proficient with your glazing and with your throwing if you're going to make 5, 10, 15 different cups. So it looks like we are just about done. Here's the last one. I can take it off of the shop vac and then I could call it quits for a day. So on that note, I think it's time to sign off and to keep practicing. Thanks for watching.